Thank you all for joining me on this journey. This is the conclusion of our Credit 101 series. Everything we've explored step by step is leading to this moment. We started with credit cards, how to choose them, how they shape your financial future. Then we tackled credit repair facing negative marks head-on. We dove into loans, personal, auto, and mortgages so you know exactly what lenders expect. Now, let's connect these pieces so you can move forward with clarity and confidence. First, let's revisit the building blocks. Unsecured cards don't require a deposit. These are great once you've built trust with your lender. Secured cards, on the other hand, give you a safe start, requiring a small deposit to begin. Your credit score is built on 3 pillars. First, on-time payment history. Second, keeping your credit utilization low. Third, maintaining a long credit history. Master these, and you lay the groundwork for lasting financial success. First, remember this. Credit repair isn't about dwelling on past mistakes. It's about building better habits starting today. Disputes matter, they give you a chance to fix errors on your report. But once a debt goes to collections, it stops accruing interest, the damage is done. In these situations, paying off the debt can still help, but only if it's recent and if you negotiate terms. A pay-for-delete, a lump sum settlement, can remove that mark entirely. Let me share a real example. One of my viewers paid off an old collection and, through consistent payments, rebuilt their score from a 520 to a 700 in just a year. These steps take time, but with patience and strategy, you take control of your financial future. Let's take a moment to really understand loans. They're not just cash handed over. They're a contract tied to your future. Lenders don't just look at your score. They scrutinize your income, your existing debt, and your ability to repay. Personal loans, while quick, come with high interest because they trust you less. Auto loans, secured by your car, keep rates lower. Mortgages, secured by your home, give you the longest runway, but even then, you must read the fine print. A balloon payment, one giant lump sum at the end, can crush your plans. So, before you sign, understand every detail. How much you pay, how long it lasts, and what your total cost will be. When you master these steps, you don't just borrow money, you build a future on solid ground. You've learned the foundations now. It's time to test your knowledge. Let's see if you truly understand credit repair strategies and the loan process. Get ready, this quiz will give you the clarity to move forward with confidence. For credit basics, what is the most important factor in your credit score? Length of credit history, B, payment history, C, number of accounts. What does a secured credit card require? A, a high interest rate, B, a security deposit, C, a large loan. For credit repair, what should be your first step if you spot an error on your credit report? A, pay the debt immediately, B, dispute the error with the credit bureau, C, close your accounts. What is a pay-for-delete? A monthly payment plan, B, a one-time lump sum that removes the mark, C, a government assistance program for loans. Which type of loan generally has the lowest interest rate? Personal loan, B, auto loan, C, payday loan. What is a balloon payment? A small monthly payment that grows over time, B, a large lump sum due at the end of the loan. C, a fixed rate that never changes. As we wrap up this Credit 101 series, remember, your credit is the bedrock of your financial future. Every decision, whether it's a credit card, a loan, or managing debt, shapes your possibilities for years to come. Never underestimate credit card debt can quietly grow if ignored. By mastering on-time payments, wise borrowing, and long-term strategy, you don't just survive, you thrive. Follow, like, and subscribe to Cash 101 for more financial insights, and get ready our next series. Side Hustles 101 is coming with real strategies to boost your income.